Hi, Zaka here, and you're watching Nature and Wildlife. And today we will talk about special features of the parrot. The parrot is a very special bird. It is always fun to watch them do their things. Like they climb with using their beaks. Parrots have feet which are zygodactyl. That means two fronts and two toes on the front, two toes on the back, just like a woodpecker. And parrots have a finger-like tongue. Parrots can eat poisonous as fruit seeds. They have special steps to do and to take off roots from branches. Step 1. They pull the fruit with their feet. Then they clip it off with their beak. Step 3. They take out a piece and the tongue takes off the outer covering, and then the beak shave off the husk, and then the parrot eats. They follow these kinds of steps to eat the fruit. And, and believe it or not, parrots can eat poisonous fruits. Parrots have a strong beak which they can and break hard shells from nuts. When parrots gather in a big flock, it is like a bowl of jelly beans. Parrots come in every color: pink, red, orange, every color. They have 70 species in the Amazon, but there are 350 species in the world. There are 70 species in the Amazon and 30 of them are green. Different species of parrots have different names, but like the scarlet macaw and the blue and gold macaw and the galah. The galah is from Australia, which is pink and flies in big flocks. You can see galah eating feed from fields. When the parrots eat poisonous fruits seeds, after a few minutes they fly off and big flocks and land on clay lakes like that clay lake over there. And the parrots land for a reason on the clay lakes. The reason is the clay lakes have salt and other minerals. Salt is super important for parrots. That's why they land on clay lakes to eat chunks of clay. And parrots are super fun. People who keep parrots as pets can teach parrots how to ride on a bicycle, how to sing, how to talk, and all things. And blue and gold macaw is my favorite species because it has lots of blue color, which is my favorite color. And here is a video that a blue and gold macaw is riding a bicycle. Parrots use their beaks and feet to climb. Why? Parrots climb. Parrots have fun climbing. Parrot's tongue is finger shaped like this finger. They use their tongue for, for many things and for many reasons. You can see parrots in Australia, in the Amazon rainforest, and other places. If you have any questions about the parrots, write in the comment section below. Be sure to like and share my video. Allah Hafiz.